Probably can't see that too well, but that first one is UHF Super J pole, homemade 9 dB coaxial collinear on the top of the pole, and over here we've got a homemade 7-element Yagi for 432. It all goes into the shack. Don't be too surprised. This is the untidy shack. This is the new repeater. Input 43850, the output 43350 on Echolink, 25 watts out. What else we got? A little handheld in there. It's on 439900 on Echolink. Down here we've got a Codan 7277 or 7727 TB on 3750 on Echolink. There's the antenna tuner on top of it. Homemade power supply underneath it. Homemade power supply in there, which runs everything else. Both capable of about 40 amps. UHF sideband, local repeater 695, and an extra FM set should I need it. Here we've got a homebrew crossbander just in here. That's the UHF set on 439900, antenna connection there for it, and that's the A suit. No, it's not, it's a Kenwood, and that's the VHF side of the homebrew gear underneath it. Where that curly cord is, that's the homebrew interface to go between the two sets. Here we move around here, and we've got one to wake it up. Well, there's the Echolink computer anyway. Screen coming on, and under here, oh, it's a bit dark there. Hang on, I might be able to get some more light on it. Side of the computer. Case is off everything here, everything keeps breaking down. Shine a light down over here, and I can get the light out. And that's the homebrew interface for Echolink. Transformers, optocouplers, etc. And a relay will run up to 8 radios. At the moment it's running 3 radios, 2 on UHF, 1 on HF, and I'll crossband on to VHF. And there we are, the back of the repeater. Yeah, it's a bit of a jumble at the moment. I've got some more work to do to it. And over here we have an interesting array of connections and things. I'm using a Heliax cable into this coupler, and then a right angle, my homemade N-type to PL259. That runs away to the SWR meter and out to the aerial. So yeah, the shack is a little bit untidy. It's almost as bad as Dave's, zl4DLU's. And yeah, but anyway, computer that runs SVX Link server when I use it. That one needs a slow scan when I use it, not very often. And yeah, that's basically it. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, hot, sunny day here in Hokitika on the west coast of the South Island. Beautiful day. There's the Yagi again. That plastic box did have my wireless access point, but I've put it inside the shed now. And if you can see it, there's a wire running there. Oh, that's a joiner. So a trap away down there over the garage, HF set. Fruit tree in the way of everything. Close up of the Super J pole 470. And there's another Super J pole up over here somewhere. That's it there. That's for VHF. Works very well. And up on that pole up there, I've just got a VHF 5/8 flip. Well, that's about it from Hokitika. I hope you didn't fall over. Oh, now this is another aerial. This one here, homemade. It's homemade for 80 metres. Works very well. It just screws into that point there. And believe it or not, I worked Auckland on that aerial, and this radio here. Another Codan 7727. Digital readout. Not going at the moment, so I'm in the process of making a synthesizer for it, and this is it here. Not quite locking as yet. Got some more work to do to it. With any luck it'll go. Untidy bench space. Yeah, it's a work in progress. Yeah, it's been a work in progress for some years. Never mind. That's it. Cheers.